This is Chris from Atlantic Outboard, and I'm going to walk you through our all-new 2027 Contender 25T. This boat is a beauty with a lot of new features. Let's hop on board and take a look. On the back of this boat, we went with the Yamaha Twin 200. These are the new digital electric power steering motors, all white, sharp-looking motors. Powers this boat extremely efficiently, and plenty of cruise, top end, everything you would need on this hull. So with this hull, we went with a gray hull color. This boat is bottom painted as it is in the water now. We also did a light gray interior to contrast, so you're not having all that glare from the white blaring you when you're offshore fishing. We also did a gray vinyl package on this, so a lot of gray accents. People tend to like this combo. We have a clear live well here in the transom, plenty of room there. You have access to walk port to starboard around the transom. And then this is your leaning post with Gemlux flush mount rod holders. Under the leaning post, you can do a couple different configurations. Right now it's set up so you can add a Yeti. Some people do aftermarket tackle storage. Most people are doing, just a soft tackle bag to throw in the head or something like that. So this is a fully customizable boat. So between colors, power, electronics, interior colors, color of your live well, it can be all configured. Here at Atlantic Outboard, we like to keep a 25T build slot on order at all times. So if you're interested in this model, make sure you keep that in mind and reach out to Chris at Atlantic Outboard to help you out. Let's take a look at this dash. At the helm on the 2027 25T, we went with a black acrylic panel. They did a great job flush mounting these 16-inch Garmins in. Extremely slick looking. We went with the JL audio stereo package, so you have a head unit here, your main display for your Yamaha engines. We did a Garmin VHF 315, so you have a mic off to the side. It's not something you need to use day in and day out, so I hate when they're hanging on your dash. So we have it tucked away on the starboard side of the console here. We have a remote speaker here. So if you're running in the fog, you need to hear ferry traffic, etc., you can crank this up so you can hear the communication over the motors. I've experienced that myself. That's why I'm a big fan of these remote speakers. Your tilt helm, we went with a Black Ops steering wheel by Edson. This is able to articulate however you want. Push to start. This is the Yamaha binnacle here with the fly-by-wire shift. On the dash, you notice there's not a bunch of buttons and switches. So the new generation of Contender are doing the Garmin Empire bus system. It's actually very slick. So you can create a toolbar on the bottom of your screen. So all the pumps, lights, etc., that you would want switching for are super easily accessible. So it's not like you have to go through all your system to find a bilge pump. Create a toolbar. If you need to turn on a live well pump or a bilge pump, you'll be able to just touch that button on the screen. So up on the dash right now, we have our Garmin Empire bus system. So this will give you all in-depth options for your Contender. So you'll see the actual icon of the boat. You'll be able to choose between T-top lights, pumps, your main helm, your lighting, your breaker reset if you need it, your auto bilges, etc. Any switch that would normally be in this boat can be configured through this page. And again, we like to create a toolbar down on the bottom. So when you're running your GPS or your fish finder, you don't have to leave that page to go to this switching. You'll have all those buttons available for you at the bottom of your sonar screen or GPS screen. So this gives you an in-depth look. You even have freshwater tank levels. Over here, now this boat is standard with the Seakeeper ride system. All of Contenders for 2027 are now standard factory option with Seakeeper ride. So this boat was already a great running boat. You combine it with a Seakeeper ride system. I took it for a ride the other day, blown away. The boat is literally glued to the water like a magnet is on the bottom. So they enhance the performance of a 24-degree bottom, so it's an animal running straight through some rough seas, but you're not getting that hopping or that bow rides. Extremely innovative design with the Seakeeper ride combined with this hull. I have it up here so you can see it, but when this boat is running, you can easily add manual to shut it off or hit auto, and you'll see how fast those tabs are actually moving for you. But look how clean of a dash you have here, combined with the black steering wheel and the black accents. You have a hard radius polycarbonate windshield. This is just such a sweet little boat for 25 feet. I would compare no other 25-footer in the market to this model. There's also a manual remote button configuration inside the console. So for whatever reason, if you have a glitch, you'll be able to access it from inside the console. But Very slick, very clean layout, all black dash, black steering wheel. It contrasts off this light gray gel coat and with the darker gray vinyl. Very slick looking boat. So in the console of this boat, you can option it for a head or without a head. We usually like to get a head because it's not something you can easily add down the road. But for the wives, the daughters, etc., this is a great option. It doesn't take up any room. You could still use this as storage. It also works as a seat if you're doing any wiring or installation. So you'll see Contender's known for their wiring. They do a phenomenal job on the wiring and the attention to detail. Let's take a look behind this console and you can see this excellent wiring. So in the bow of the 25 Contender, it's one of the few boats that you can actually order it without any bow seating. So the guys that want to fish, it allows full port to starboard bow with no intrusion as far as jumping on forward seating to cast. So the owner of this boat is going to be looking for light tackle tuna fishing and even, giant tuna fishing. So we install some 0-degree HD gem locks in the gunnel, lots of rod holders throughout. You have your anchor locker forward, JL audio, subwoofers, and stereo speakers down under your anchor locker. You have a huge fish box, which I'm going to show you momentarily, that you can put beanbag chairs in there. You can put all kinds of tackle. You can fill it with ice and fish as you catch them. But great area, high sides for casting or fighting a fish. So this is what makes the 25 Contender very unique to be able to order it without forward seating, as you see here. In the forward deck, you'll see this large fish box. Right now we have a Coast Guard captain's kit in it, but you can imagine you could fill this thing with ice. You could put fish below. You can do all kinds of storage, beanbag chairs. There's never enough storage in a boat. So 25 feet to have this kind of storage below deck is a great option. Up on the front of the console, you can see the color of this gray vinyl we use, really sharp contrast. Now, this actually isn't a white gel coat. This is a light gray gel coat option. So it's still contrast, but it's not as bright as the regular white. Underneath this, you have a nice access for cooler, for drinks, etc. So if you're offshore fishing, you're going to pack this with additional ice, drinks, possibly your lunch, etc. So on the starboard side of the console, you'll see we did 4 flush-mounted Gemlux rod holders. Now these rods will go up through the hardtop here. You can see the tips will go through the hole. Makes it additional storage so as you're running, so if you're casting with one rod, you can leave all your trolling rods stuck in here, etc. So you could swap back and forth. You also have rod holders across the hardtop and across the leaning post. Let's take a look on the hardtop of this boat. Up on the hardtop of the 25T, we went with the Garmin radar dome. We also installed a FLIR thermal vision camera. We have a VHF antenna and an AM/FM antenna. Very clean. You can see how Contender's using CNC washer style fasteners. They look very clean on the underneath of this hardtop. Thanks for checking us out on this Contender 2027 25T. We always have one on order, so if you're interested in doing a custom order with Atlantic Outboard, give Chris a call. I can walk you through the options I would recommend. I'm the one that chose the options on this boat. It's very fish friendly, very sharp looking, but you can also put your family in the boat and have a great day on the water. So very versatile boat, but it is a weapon if you're trying to go out and catch some fish. So check us out at atlanticoutboard.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and come into our shop and speak to Chris about some Contender boats.